Setting PID control in the Dalek. Currently we have all the values set to more or less 0. We're doing the dome just now, getting no movement on P equals minus. Well, actually the PID won't take negative values here. The PID controller will automatically, it's got a forward reverse and it only takes positive numbers, so the code sets them to absolute values. So we'll set the KP to 1, see what happens. We get some movement, but not if we're very close to the set point. It doesn't have much sensitivity, so let's push it up to 2. 2 a bit. Now it's a bit more sensitive. Exterminate. But in fact the save value I have here is oh no, I lost it, damn it. Oh, I think it was 9. Let's blast it up to 9. I should have made notes before I did this, because I did this before, got good numbers, and now I gone and lost them. See, as it goes higher, it's noticing it's able to actually react when it's close to the set point and actually do something about it. Now our KI would also do something about that. It would notice, oh, you're a little bit off and you've been there for a while, so now you'll go. KI is funny that way. Okay, so we're up at 9 now. So you'll notice this is actually, looks like it's rotating the opposite way, but that's because it's actually the head that does the rotating and the Lego stays still in real life. So there we have our much smoother than the old code. Not quite as fast. Now maybe I want to blast that up a little bit more. But what I found out is if you go much higher than this, you get oscillations. So you want to damp the oscillations. But this is kind of appropriately Dalek-y creepy. So we take a look. So let's save that. Let's go over to the next value, KI, which is for you're a little bit off. Let's go there. Did I have a save value? I had a save value of 0.25 there. So that the idea of that was just if I'm a little bit off, enough that KP doesn't catch it, that'll accumulate and it'll move it to the center. Save that guy. And then if we go to KD, I don't think I actually did KD on this. KD's a little odd. It seems to cause vibration when I set it in this system, so I've left that at 0 just now. So we have a PI controller on the dome, and there we are. So those values are saved. So let's go to set IPID, which is 4. And again we're at 0 here, and this is actually going to be tilt on the controller. So let's pull up our saved value, which is 20. So there's a much different set of ratios. There's actually a gear ratio involved here. It's not a direct drive, and you've also got this big solid piece of toffee apple MDF that weighs about a pound on the end of a stick, so it's got a lot more force torque it needs to do. These are very high torque motors. They're essentially windshield wiper motors, so there's a lot of torque on these. So that's that. So we'll save that value. I'll take a look at the Ki. I didn't have a Ki there. I don't think I finished tuning this, but this is good enough for now. So we can go into our fully automatic follow modes, so we can track the head as it goes up and down. Exterminate. And then we have a track level mode, which I find is useful if you're roaming around. You don't want the eye bumping up and down, because if you're actually using your head for navigation, you don't want to have all the random movements of a person head translating into a Dalek head when you're not actually concentrating on talking to people. So what I usually do is I'll run in this mode when I'm running around. So wherever I'm looking, it's going to look, but it's not going to do the up and down. And then when I stop to actually interact with someone, I'll set it to the up and down mode, and then we can, look down at the small child and threaten to exterminate them, and tell them, please stop pulling my plunger and please don't kill me, or excuse me please, excuse me please. Anyway, that's how you do head control on a Dalek.